Hey bucket list buddies, welcome to another episode of My Bucket List Day. So I'm not where I originally was supposed to be. I'm actually out in Boulder or Denver, Colorado right now. Visiting my daughter, had a little emergency. She had a car accident and totaled her car. She's all right, but I had to leave Joanne and the coach and everything in Michigan and fly out here to take care of her and all the insurance stuff with the car and getting a new car and all that kind of stuff. And in fact, that's what we're dealing with today. This is not the time to go buy a car. With everything that's going on, and I apologize for the street noise behind me or on the other end here, this is not the time to buy a car. But before we get into all of that, go ahead and watch this intro, and I'll be right back. Alright, welcome back. So here I am. Sorry for the sunglasses. We're at the dealership. We just struck a deal. I don't want to give you all the boring details of that because I don't think my daughter wants anybody to know it. But if you need to buy a car in these times, I'm in the shadow here, I'll get back out of that. In these times, don't do it. Every dealer is short on inventory on cars. I know you guys have been watching the news on that. But they're basically bend you over, no KY jelly, and you're going to pay full retail price plus just to get a car. And we wouldn't be doing this except hers got totaled and she has no wheels and she has to have wheels. So they will not budge. So the good news is in a few months, all of these dealers are going to get their own. They're going to get burned hard when the inflation continues to go up as it is already. And they won't be able to sell a single car. So then all the gouging they're doing to us now, I guess they're hoping that's going to tide them over, but I don't think so, because currently the way things are with this, well, I don't want to get political here, but the way things are going right now, there's no end in sight. But gotta go. I'll be back here in a second. So as I was showing you, this is Sydney's new car. So I guess I'll walk around this way. It's a 2021 Kia Forte or something like that. And we've just been spending the last 2 hours instructing Sydney how to drive a standard transmission. We've never had a standard car before, so I said, okay, I'll teach you how to do that. It's a pretty car, isn't it? So as I mentioned, I'm out here in Colorado helping my daughter not only get this new car because her last one got totaled, but also to teach her how to drive a stick. And that's been fun. I think I need to make an appointment with the chiropractor. I'm only joking. She's actually doing a very good job. Very proud of her. So I apologize, this is not a standard video, but this is our life, our bucket list life. And sometimes you have to drop everything and pull your rig over and fly halfway, not halfway, pretty much across the country from Michigan to Colorado to take care of the ones you love. And that's what I'm doing today. Well, I've been doing the last several days. We got here, we had to do a lot of work with the insurance companies and get that taken care of, as well as a few other things with her college. Got that taken care of, so we're very productive. And then shopping around for a car. And let me add to that, as I was saying earlier, this is not the time to be buying a car. There's not only a shortage on parts, but a shortage on cars, and they are charging you full retail and then some. at least for all the cars manufacturers we looked at. We looked at Subaru, Kia, Hyundai, Honda, Toyota, and I'm thinking I'm missing one or two. But everyone we went to, they were all either very, very low inventory, didn't have what we were looking for, and everything they had on their lot, they were taking MSRP and adding quite a bit more. In some cases, they were adding almost 10% more, which was insane. So shame on you people for price gouging. I understand everybody has the right to make a buck, but it's just the demand is creating that kind of a price gouging is kind of irritates me a little bit. So long story short, we did get the car. I'm not happy with the pricing, but it is what it is, because she needed wheels. She couldn't be out here without any wheels. So enough of that stuff. So the next episode, we're going to be doing a little catch up a little bit, and a few other surprises. So thanks for watching. Don't forget, whoops, got to switch hands for this. Don't forget to hit the little like button, subscribe, and a little bell icon to let you know when I'm putting out a new video. And for those of you who've been making the comments, I really appreciate that. It helps our channel out quite a bit. And that algorithm, that helps us get ranked a little more, and we appreciate that. Thanks. Make it a great bucket list day. Goodbye.